The 2022 North Bund Forum, scheduled from Tuesday to Thursday in China's Shanghai, is focusing on topics such as digital, intelligent, green and low-carbon shipping and aviation. Experts and industry insiders have applauded China's contributions to shipping and civil aviation manufacturing. Currently, Shanghai remains a hotspot for shipping despite the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. Data showed that the container throughput of the Shanghai port reached 34.89 million 20-foot equivalent units in the first 3 quarters of 2022, remaining the world's busiest and achieving positive growth year-on-year. Air services are also being upgraded with digital technologies already being used at both Shanghai Pudong International Airport and Shanghai Hongqiao International Airport to improve security, service quality and operational efficiency.
There's no doubt that China and Shanghai plays an absolutely pivotal role in international transportation and shipping. China accounts for about 1/3 of total global container exports, and Shanghai has been the world's largest port for 12 years running. So China and Shanghai really is the ground zero of international transport.
我们在这个智能方面，是吧？在这个数字经济方面的这个效率方面，同时呢，在绿色方面是特别关注的。那么这个呢，也可以说是我们制造业的一个比较优势。